staying a couple of nights here at Bunya Grove. Very nice camping area, private, that you'll find on Hipcamp and Wiki Camps, I think. Lovely big tree there. Debbie in the distance looking pretty in pink. And if I scan around, you'll see, wonder why. There you go, there's a bunya, and there's a grove of them. And that's our setup just over there.
We've got ourselves into this nice private spot here at the campground. Very secluded, only us and the birds. Here we are, all set up, got our fire going. Lovely sunset, very peaceful, heaps of birds, and we've spotted a few roos. Kangaroo jumping away in the distance there. Richard setting up for a time lapse of what the sun set.
I'm going to try on a night settings on the GoPro.
Okay, alright, that should be interesting.
Might get some stars, things like that.
Yep.
But I'll put this on when it gets dark.
Oh, good idea.
Setting it up at the moment.
Nice clear skies tonight.
Yeah.
So it should be interesting. We've woken up to a beautiful morning here at Wagtail Way. Listen to the chorus of the birds. This is really nice.
One thing we liked about camping is that we use solar a fair bit, and I really like this product, the Hardcore 200 watt solar panels. Come in this great bag, easy to use, bit of weight in it, but it's so much worth it. I primarily use the solar panels to charge the auxiliary battery that we use in the car for the fridge. It's a matter of just getting the alligator clips, plugging in, attaching, and it's done, and it's attached to the regulator, which is now charging up. So we've got it all attached to the car. It's a matter of getting the alligator clip, just plugging it into the other alligator clip like so. Clicks in. Now these have got these stands here like that, so it's a matter of now just folding them out. Put the stand down, fold, stand down, fold, stand down, and fold. And that's it. Now all you do is watch and chase the sun.
Yeah, he's very good at chasing the sun. Solar panels just been moved to face the afternoon sun. There's a couple of little kayaks here for anyone to use if they wanted to venture out onto this dam. Dam's very low at the moment, but still be a good paddle, I suppose, if you enjoy that sort of thing. How beautiful is this backdrop, this dam at the Wagtail Way campground.
Birds. What a magnificent big tree this is. And of course, all big trees must have a swing for all the kids too. I said kids.
I'm a big kid. We
are witnessing a test run of the new gimbal that we got a few weeks ago. Hasn't been really we haven't had the opportunity to do much flying, so...
It's a drone, not a gimbal.
Well, there you go. We'll start again. Here we go with a test flight of the new drone that we got a few weeks ago. Just waiting for Debbie to organise the takeoff. I think she's going to use one of the presets, which I think is just going to go straight up. It does a very good job of hovering there. Going up a little bit more. Got a bit of bad news.
What's the bad news?
After many years of faithful service, I think my thong may be coming to an end.
Oh no, did you bring the spare one?
No.
Oh, what are we going to do?
Pray it doesn't break.
Photo.